Hello and welcome back to the You Should Know Challenge, a course where we are learning 10 songs in 1 month. These are iconic songs that we think every ukulele player should know. And by we, I mean myself and my friend Abby. I'm doing all of the tutorials. Abby's doing all of the play-alongs from beginning to end. So let's just get started with the tutorial. If this is your first time here, there is a free printable for you down below, so check that out. I'm going to be playing a low G ukulele for this to try and sound more authentic, but it will sound just fine with a high G ukulele if that's what you have. Alright, so let's get started with the intro. We will need a C chord for 4 beats, E minor for 4 beats, and look up. I'm doing C this way with my index and middle so that when I move to E minor, it's just like a rotation. It's easier. Then we're going to need A minor, F, C, G, A minor. Hold an F chord, but let's do the F sus2 first, and that just means that we're going to have the F chord plus the ring finger on the 3rd fret of E string. And then lift the ring finger so that you land on an F. Good. Another F. And that's all we need for the intro. Now let's talk about the strumming pattern. I'm going to be on a C chord for this. We need to pick G string, but make sure that you don't make it too harsh. Don't do this like bang. I want it to just be gentle. And then down, up, down, up, pick, down, up, down, up, pick, down, up, down, up, pick. Down, up, down, up. There are 2 ways that you can pick the G string. It can be with your thumb and then strum as you normally do. Or you can actually, if you strum with the index finger like I do, you can kind of just flick off of the string with your index and then do the rest of the strumming pattern. If you are really stressed out right now, then just give me a full down strum right there, and that's okay. And for my advanced people, I want you to try the one that's actually in the Israel Kamakawiwo Ole version, and that's a pick, down, up, chuck, up, down, up, pick, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. So that's a little extra challenge for my advanced people. But for this video, I'm just going to be doing pick, down, up, down, up, pick, down, up, down. First part of the intro, the chords are only played for 1 strumming pattern, so let's try this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, breathe, go. C, G, A minor, F sus2, F again. Okay, so now we go to the next part of the intro where we start singing the woo. For that, we will need C for 2 strumming patterns, E minor, F, C, back to F, E7, A minor, F. Nice. So let's try and do the whole intro. 1, remember to move fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Move. Open the hand. By the way, that E7 where I said open the hand, the best way to make that E7 chord fit, look up, is to open, I'm actually opening the elbow. So like open the elbow and that'll make those fingers fit. Look, if I stay here, then it's too cramped. I won't fit. I really need to open the hand, move it all the way up to the headstock to make room for those fingers on E7. The good news is that that second part of the intro where we have the oohs, those chords are exactly the same as verse 1, verse 2, all the verses. So now let's go over to a bridge. At the bridge, we will need C chord for 2 strumming patterns, G chord, A minor, F, again, 1, 2, and ready.
Someday I wish upon the sun, wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
Repeat.
Where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top, that's where you'll find me somewhere over the rainbow.
Now, if you are ready for a playthrough from beginning to end, Abby has that ready to go for you. I'm gonna link it up here and at the end of the video. So definitely jump over there because having the playthrough from beginning to end just really helps cement all of the information you took in today. The ukulele that I've been playing today is a low G, and this is a tiny tenor by Pepe Romero Jr. And this is the Daniel Hall model. I do carry some in my Ukulele shop. Sometimes they sell out, but you can check out ukulele.com to see what's in stock. I'm so excited we've made it here, and I'll see you for song number 10. I'm getting chills. See you there. Ciao.